Okay, today you're going to be detectives and you're going to be evaluating the website called BookFlix. So go ahead and put on your detective hats. You got them on?
Yep.
And so I'm going to help you to figure out if this site is trustworthy. Trustworthy is a big word, but if you notice that it also has the word trust in it. So what does trust mean to you? That it's safe. So the first thing that you notice about this website is what?
It has words on it.
Has the words. It's very colorful, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
What else?
The words go in order.
In order? So you mean they're all like lined up? Kind of like, it looks like a ladder almost?
And they have pictures.
So it looks really neat and it looks organized. It's very colorful, has pictures and words. What do you think might happen when I scroll, when we use the cursor here and we scroll over one of these words?
It will say it for you.
You think you'll say it?
Family and community.
All right. Have you been on this before? So we're going to click on family and community. And it takes us to this page. And it almost looks like a storybook, doesn't it, right here? Like a storybook, and it's kind of opening up. And there's, yeah, like a book of books. Good job. And there's two separate books that are on each page. Well, there's four, but there's two sets of books that are on each page. And this one to me looks, do you think this one's nonfiction or fiction?
Fiction.
Fiction. Why do you think it's fiction?
It doesn't look real.
Doesn't look real, it's kind of animated. The one on the right, do you think it's fiction or nonfiction?
Nonfiction, because it looks real.
It does look real. Do you notice anything right here? What is this?
Scholastic.
Scholastic. And do you notice it anywhere else on the web page?
On the bottom.
Where at on the bottom? Can you put the cursor over it for me? Okay, so there's the word scholastic again. And does that mean anything to you? What does it mean to you, Faith? Have you ever seen that before? Okay. Books in, okay, you have books in your room that say Scholastic on it. Have you ever seen Scholastic anywhere else, Gavin?
Yes, in the fairs.
So, would it be safe to say that Scholastic is a trusted or not a trusted website?
Trusted. I would trust it.
Okay, I might trust it too. I have seen it in a lot of places. Now, one other thing that we talked about when we were talking about how to evaluate a website is who is the author. So we know we've got Scholastic down here at the bottom. I know I've seen it on these nonfiction books up here too. So what else can we do to figure out who the author is?
Maybe click on the resources.
Resources? Let's click on that and see. Wow, it looks like a library, doesn't it? So when we click on resources, we get all kind of information about the book All the World, and we got information over here about energy is everywhere. Does this remind you of anything? All this information? Does it remind you of anything?
A book about a book.
A book about a book. Do you see this kind of information when you go to the library at your school? Yeah, you can find out all of this. We know the grade level. We know how long this book is going to take us to read it. Over here on the nonfiction book, it tells you how many pages it has in it. The lexile number, that's something that you also see in the library too. So, wow, that's a lot of information. And over here, what about this link that says Learn More? What does it take us to?
A Scholastic website.
So, since it takes us to a Scholastic website, would it be safe to say that the BookFlix website is a safe site to use?
Yes.
So overall, we know that it's a safe site to use. And we know that because we chose the Learn More link. We've talked about how to do that. And we also chose the resources link. We clicked on several other links as well. It's easy.
Click on a category. Or click on the feature to begin.
It's easy to read, and it's easily laid out to where you can navigate through it. And we know that our site is trusted. So would you use this for your project?
Yes. Yes.
Or for us to use for a lesson? Is this an okay site for a lesson?
Yes, it's okay.
All righty. Thank you very much. You guys can go now.